Here we are at the fourth video, designing the blog data schema. In our previous video, we created our first project. In this video, we'll first activate your application and then we'll create and apply migrations. We will start by defining the initial data models for our blog. A model is a Python class that subclasses django.db.models.model, in which each attribute represents a database field. Django will create a table for each model defined in the models.py file. When you create a model, Django offers you a practical API to query the database easily. First, we'll define a post model. For that, add these lines to the model.py file of the blog application. This is our basic model for blog posts. Let's take a look at the fields we just defined for this model. Title. This is the field for the post title. This field is char field, which translates into a varchar column in the SQL database. Slug. This is a field intended to be used in URLs. A slug is a short label containing only letters, numbers, underscores or hyphens. We'll use the slug field to build beautiful SEO-friendly URLs for our blog posts. We have added the unique forDate parameter to this field so we can build URLs for posts using the date and slug of the post. Django will prevent multiple posts having the same slug for the same date. Author. This field is foreign key. This field defines a many-to-one relationship. We're telling Django that each post is written by a user and a user can write several posts. For this field, Django will create a foreign key in the database using the primary key of the related model. In this case, we're relying on the user model of the Django authentication system. We specify the name of the reverse relationship from user to post with the related name attribute. We're going to learn more about this later. Body. This is the body of the post. This field is text field, which translates into a text column in the SQL database. Publish. This date time indicates when the post was published. We use Django's timezone now method as default value. This is just a timezone aware datetime.now.